So post-construction, which is very exciting, your soil is going to be super compacted, and also it's garbage. So compaction-wise, it's a lot of work. You might go around with a pitchfork and like try to loosen it like deep. But I would ask whoever you have coming in here to advise you about or make a bid or something on the grass, and whether you're going to do sod or whether you're going to do some loam and then hydroseeding or just seed, is what kind of soil are they going to put down? You know what I mean? I would definitely say topsoil. I'm not an expert in this, but you do not want just seed on this. Particularly if you're going to be planting around the house, I would say topsoil, good quality topsoil, because all of that was probably stripped off of here. You know what I mean? And so you need to replenish now. You might even want to add some compost. So just bear all this in mind before you spend a lot of money on the grass and what you're doing here. You've got to deal with